Okay, here we are. This is day 3 going on day 4 of the aftermath of Hurricane Ike. Here I am, but you probably can't see me because there's no frickin' power. Anyway, there's the church steeple way over there. Here's a car coming down the street. There's usually lots of street lights, and actually there's a real bright moon out tonight, but you really can't see anything. So this is what it's like here in Creepyville. And we're going to be able to see with the car power light. This is like horror movie creepy. Okay. Look, solar powered lights. That's it. That's all we got. Thanks, DP&L.